Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from Lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. ICAI has just now come up with a notification with regard to carry forward of exemptions from the existing scheme to the new scheme. Most of the students, they were asking me regarding whether they will be able to carry forward the exemption that they have presently in paper 6D. ICAI has come up with a notification regarding this query. First of all, we will see the carry forward of exemptions with respect to final students. After that, we will discuss with respect to intermediate students. Now, if you see, with respect to final students under the existing scheme, if they are having exemption in paper 1 financial reporting, they will be awarded exemption in paper 1 financial reporting in the new scheme also. If they are having exemption in strategic financial management, then they will be given exemption in the paper 2, that is advanced financial management. The subject will be same, they have just changed the name. And if they are having exemption in audit, then the exemption will be given in respective audit of new scheme. And if they are having exemption in paper 4 corporate and economic laws, then they will be given exemption from self-paced online module set A. Basically this set A is mandatory module, right? From that set A you will be getting exemption if you are already having exemption in paper 4 under existing scheme. Coming to group 2, if you are having exemption in paper 5, that is a strategic cost management and performance evaluation, then you will be given exemption in the respective self-paced module, that is set B, which is strategic cost and performance management. All this is simple, but the single exemption for which most of the students are waiting is paper 6 elective paper. Most of the students, they have got exemptions in paper 6D economic laws. Whether those exemptions they will be carried forward, the answer is yes. You will be granted exemption from paper 6, that is integrated business solutions, in the new scheme. Okay, so you will be able to carry forward your exemption in paper 6D. And if you have exemption in direct loss, that is income tax, you will be again given exemption in paper 4, that is direct loss and international taxation. And if you are having exemption in indirect loss, again you will be given respective exemption in the indirect loss, that is paper 4 in new scheme. So this is carry forward of exemptions for CA final students. Coming to intermediate students, here you go. If you are having exemption in paper 1 accounting or paper 5 advanced accounting, you will be given exemption from paper 1, that is advanced accounting. In the new scheme, they are clubbing both the papers, right? So if you are having exemption either in paper 1 or in paper 5 of the existing scheme, you will be granted exemption from paper 1, that is advanced accounting. And if you are having exemption in paper 2, that is corporate and other laws, you will be given exemption in respect to paper 2, that is again corporate and other law in new scheme. And if you are having exemption in cost and management accounting in paper 4, you will be given that exemption. And if you are having exemption in taxation, paper 3 taxation will be exempted. Again auditing will be exempted here. This is important. Paper 7, if you are having exemption in enterprise information system and strategic management, for strategic management you will be given exemption in strategic management, and for enterprise information system you will be given exemption in financial management. Okay, if you are having exemption in paper 7 of existing scheme, you will be given exemption from paper 6, that is financial management and strategic management, under the new scheme. Hope that is clear. And coming to paper 8, if you are having exemption in financial management and economic finance, then also you will be given exemption from paper 6 only under the new scheme. So this is with respect to carry forward of exemptions from old scheme to new scheme. And still, if you are having any doubts with respect to carry forward of exemptions, you can comment them below. I'll get you back. Okay, I'll be winding up this video as of now. Take care, bye bye, and all the best for your preparations.